Hello, my name is Jamie. I'm from Columbus, Ohio. I am a career counselor for high school students. I can tell you that I started HHA in March of 2021, and I stumbled upon HHA because I was diagnosed with PCOS in February of 2021 and had no idea where to begin. I was given a simple statement from my doctor saying to exercise and lose weight, and then come back when you want to get pregnant. So I was looking for a program that was more extensive support, helping me build tools in my toolbox for how to take care of my menstrual health. So over time, I can tell you that I've lost 20 pounds from implementing the steps of HHA. So particularly, I have low estrogen and irregular periods. I've had that for about over a year, and it is something I am still working on, how to get a period naturally. And that wouldn't be possible without HHA, and just learning how to take care of yourself and how it will benefit your menstrual cycle with the foods you eat. A big thing for me is cutting out caffeine and sugar. That's been ruling me for years now. And HHA talks about that, how to switch out coffee for tea, adding greens, and still enjoying yourself, learning how to live freely, encouraging meditation, journaling, all those things that impact your physical and mental health. So I would definitely recommend HHA if you have PCOS. It is phenomenal. The support is extensive and so much more valuable than an appointment with a physician that I've experienced personally. So I want to say thanks to Tam and Michaela for all the support with HHA.